You all must know that every year tourists eagerly wait for the Taj festival to be held in Agra. This year, this festival is going to start from March 20. Tourists from many countries around the world arrive here during the Taj festival. If tourists reach here to get a glimpse of the Taj Mahal, then they want to see everything related to it, which he has seen only in pictures. Tourists who come here want to know everything that they do not know about this seventh wonder, so that no one else can ever make such a wonderful wonder again. Tourists reach here from far and wide to know the answers to many such questions. Shah Jahan's name has been associated with many women in history. According to historical facts, it is said that he used to love Mumtaz Mahal the most. Some reports say that Shah Jahan was completely devoted to her as long as his Begum Mumtaz was alive. Even many of his other wives had little interference in his personal life. Shah Jahan's courtier and historian Inayat Khan has also mentioned in his book that Shah Jahan could not live without Mumtaz for a moment. The dream behind the construction of the Taj Mahal was one of the Mumtaz had seen. Mumtaz Mahal died within 4 years of Shah Jahan taking over the throne. In the last few moments before her death, Mumtaz told Shah Jahan that she had seen such a beautiful place and garden in a dream like that anywhere in the whole world. I have only one request from you, that you should build such a tomb in my memory. It was only after this that Shah Jahan started the construction of the Taj Mahal to fulfill the wish of Mumtaz. Were the hands of the workers who built the Taj Mahal really cut off? A report says that the guides of the Taj Mahal narrate the story with great enthusiasm. This thing is always a matter of discussion among the tourists, because after seeing this wonder of the world, this thing seems to be true somewhere. But this is just a mere imagination. Till date, no evidence of any such incident has been found in history, nor have historians ever mentioned it in any documents. Shah Jahan left no stone unturned in making Taj Mahal, a sign of love. For nearly 22 years, a long and wide team of artisans was prepared to prepare it. Its construction was started in 1631 AD and it took about 22 years to build it. It is mentioned in Shah Jahan's biography, Shah Jahan and the Rise and Fall of the Mughal Emperor. Fergus Nichols has written this biography. He writes most of the workers who built the Taj Mahal were Hindus from Kannauj. Flower carvers were called from the city of Pokhara in Nepal. Ramlal of Kashmir was entrusted with the responsibility of making the garden.